Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making sugar beans curry. I put a cup of sugar beans to boil and I boiled it till it was soft. Sugar beans can also be prepared while being soaked overnight, but then you don't get a very thick gravy. It actually get cooked up like how you cook in gadra. Okay, it's been boiling for an hour and it's quite soft. Now I'm going to actually show you how to braise the sugar beans curry. Okay, here's my ingredients for braising of the sugar beans. For braising, I have half a cup of cooking oil and one medium onion sliced. Then to go together with it, I have 2 small tomatoes and 2 potatoes cut up. Okay, for the braising, I have a cinnamon stick, a few curry leaf, a little bit of dried thyme, a teaspoon of ginger garlic, 2 tablespoonful of mixed masala, a teaspoon of hurdee, and a tablespoon of rough salt for taste, but you can use according to your taste. So now we are going to actually start braising our sugar beans. Okay, I've got my pot nice and hot, moderate heat. I put in my half a cup of oil, and then I'm going to add in my onions. And allow this to fry for a few minutes. Okay, actually sugar beans was the first recipe that I taught my children before they moved to Durban on their own. And because they used to like sugar beans and it was cooking quick. So what I used to usually do, boil a whole lot of sugar beans and parcel it and freeze them, so when they come home, so they can fetch the sugar beans and bring it back to Durban and thaw a packet of what they need to eat and quickly braise it with potatoes. Okay, my onions are fried out. I put in my cinnamon stick and my curry leaf and my thyme. I'll allow this to fry a little. I put in my ginger garlic. And then my 2 tablespoons of mixed masala, my teaspoon of hurdee. Now I'll add in my potatoes to actually get fried out and colored with my masala. You can actually use madumbas or cabbage in your beans. Cabbage tastes very nice. I'm going to decrease my heat and let these things, put in my tomatoes and let all these items fry together for about 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes has passed us and you can see the tomatoes and the potatoes are well coated. I'm going to add in my tablespoon of salt, but you can use salt accordingly to your taste. I'll give it a stir. Actually, this was a cup of sugar beans that was boiled within 2 liters of water, and we boiled it till soft. Now I'm going to actually, most people actually throw away this water because they say it's a lot of gas, but this water actually holds in a lot of flavor in, so I am not going to throw away our water. I always use my water that I used to boil, and I'll add in my beans and then use my boiled water as gravy. Then I will see like how much gravy I need. And this 1 cup of beans actually can feed 4 adults or more, but it's 4 to 5. Now I'll increase my heat and I will try to drop the amount of gravy that I need, and thereafter I can adjust while the cooking is getting done. Make sure that all the beans is put into the pot. I will keep aside the remainder boiled water because I will see exactly how I want to use my gravy. If you have a problem that your beans, you don't like it holding a lot of gas, so you can put a pinch of sugar in your cooking. Okay, the gravy that I added on actually reduced, and the potatoes are still slightly hard, so I'm going to add in my remainder of my boiled, the beans that I boiled, remainder of the gravy into it, and allow it to cook till the potatoes are ready. Okay, another 15 minutes has passed us, and you can see the curry has thickened. We're actually going to leave the gravy because we are making some bunny chow today. I've got some fresh dhania, which I'm going to garnish. And then actually will switch off my stove and I'm ready for serving. Here you go, your sugar beans curry made into a nice bunny chow. That is going to make a very tasty meal. You must enjoy, and thank you. And also a shout out goes to Daphne and Dylan that's watching from Richard Bay. Thank you all very much for the sweet words.